Ako siya sa hand placement sa first.
Squeeze my hand. Turn it. Squeeze my hand. Turn it. Then across your abdomen.
Oh, with elbow flexion. So first perform elbow flexion before you. Kawan na.
You're going to squeeze my hand, turn it, pull it, or just bending your elbow.
Squeeze my hand, turn it, Leon. Then bring your arm towards your chest while bending the elbow.
Depend on the elbow. External rotation, T1 flexion.
Ay, katawa. Spina. Spina ba kami?
For supine position,
What will you be commanding? Kasi may commanda yun.
Hindi man.
So instructions prepare. You are to look your left hand and keep your eyes on it. Okay, close your hand and turn it.
your commands. You are to look at your left hand and keep your eyes on it.
So basically, this is what you will tell your patient. Okay, so patient, look at your hand. And turn your head wherever your hand will be going. Okay, use your own words. It's better to use it that way. Not necessary. Okay,
In approaching middle range, the command will be pull up and across, hold, now pull, and hold.
Pull, and hold.
Then, in the approaching short range, the command will be pull all the way, keep your elbow straight, hold, now pull, hold. Open your hand and push down and out to me. Push, again, hold, now pull up and across, hold and let go.
Let's go first.
Pull all
So
the way.
you will be doing this one here. Back. Okay.
Pull all the way. Keep your elbow straight. Sorry.
Okay.
Pull all the way. Keep your elbow straight. Hold. Now
Across
pull.
your
Pull up.
abdomen.
Hold.
Ano ko yung buhok?
Hold.
Open your hand and push down and out to me.
Wait, yung ganun.
Push again and hold. Now pull up, across, and hold. Let go.
Hold. Let go. Relax.
Mana tu kanan? Kanan.
Now,
Extension,
in your
extension,
exercises, you
abduction.
should emphasize on the
Ito,
scapula.
extension, abduction,
Scapula
internal
should be
rotation,
moving.
day
That's
one
the reason
flexion.
why your other hand is on the scapula.
Left hand range. You are to look at your
So,
closest.
essentially, D1 extension, going towards D1 extension, right? So, the lengthen range is here, D2 flexion. D2 flexion.
You are to look at your closed left hand and keep your eyes
With elbows extended, right? Or not?
elbow straight pattern.
So, button. So, nakalat siya na ano.
You are to look at the you are to left hand and keep your eye on it as you open it towards your little finger side.
Open your hand, please. Okay, good. Okay.
Now turn your open hand toward me.
Towards you. Wapa ka, wapa ka, wapa ka.
Lo.
Down towards the floor and put your arm on my shoulder.
Sir, sakit daw.